Hey everyone. Welcome back to Tech Simplified, your go-to source for demystifying the world of technology. In Session 10 of the Code in Silicon course, we are talking about one of coding's biggest superpowers: getting the computer to do repetitive work for you. Have you ever copied and pasted the same line of code over and over thinking, there has to be a better way? Well, there is, and it's called a loop. By the end of this video, you'll understand both for loops and while loops. First up, the for loop. It's perfect for going through a sequence like a list of items or a range of numbers. For example, you can loop through a list of fruits and print a message for each one. Or use the range function to run a block of code a specific number of times. Next, the while loop. This one keeps running as long as a certain condition is true. It's great when you don't know exactly how many times you need to repeat. Just be careful. If the condition never becomes false, you'll create an infinite loop. Now let's put it all together. Loops are essential for building games. Imagine a rock, paper, scissors game. You would use a while loop to let the player keep playing rounds and if statements to decide the winner. For your homework, try building that rock, paper, scissors game. Use a loop to play multiple rounds. Happy coding. I'll see you in Session 11, bringing it all together, a capstone project. Thanks for watching.